Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ni-level up ang Lucky Me Mami. Nilagyan ko po ito ng malunggay para healthy. So, let's start! Ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin ay sibuyas, eggs, water, Lucky Me Mami, chicken, and malunggay. Una, igisa muna natin ang sibuyas. Once luto na ito, i-add natin ang chicken. After few minutes, lagyan na natin ng water and let it boil. Once it's boiling, i-add na natin ang noodles. After adding the noodles, next nating i-add ay ang seasoning. I-mix natin ito ng mabuti, then add the malunggay. After few minutes, last nating i-add ay ang eggs. Then, turn the heat off. So, here's our Lucky Me Mami with malunggay. Level up ang sarap! Tsak na magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more quick and easy recipe. So once again, thank you and keep safe everyone. Bye!